To my first and last. First, I want to thank God for this day na finally andito na tayo. Finally, natuloy na din at di na na-cancel. I want to thank God for this person in front of me. This wonderful, loving person. I want to thank God sa blessing na natatanggap natin. And also, I want to thank Him for all the challenges na nagpatibay sa atin. And dahil doon, talagang naging matibay talaga tayo.
I vow to pray for you, pray with you, be your faithful partner, your loyal supporter, and your biggest fan until your next basketball league. I vow to love, understand, and forgive every version of you, just like the Lord has loved us unconditionally.
Hi, Mahal. I know we said no more gifts. But I know this could make you the happiest. Having Tita Melda and Carl near you on one of our most important days. I love you so much. See you at the altar. Love, your wife. I love pasensya na sa mga past few days. Sobrang stressful. Alam kong sobrang stressful. Pero sobrang thank you sa gift na to. I love you so much. ...2021 sa Siargao, where it all began. And up to this day, Mahal, I still feel the same care and love I felt that day. From kaibigang kasama lang noon, sa paglakad natin sa mga beaches, ngayon, kasama na kita sa harap ng Panginoon.
Until now, I still don't understand why you were so certain about me, despite my indecisiveness. You have shown me that love isn't just 4 words. It's the countless drive from Parañaque to Cavite, despite the distance and heavy traffic. It's the headache kit you bought for me whenever my migraine is attacking. It's the hand to hold during hospital visits. And even when you remove the tinik whenever we eat fish because I couldn't do it myself. You see, I am not easy to love, and yet you never make me feel that I'm a burden. Instead, your love makes me feel safe to be my own person.
I'm standing